Yirinatek is a dartboard, electronic dartboard for your man cave, game room, bar, and more. We're going to open up the product. It comes in two colors, vintage and black. It is well protected inside, as you can see. And when pulling out, you have some parts and accessories laid on top, so please be careful. This kit, provided for a review, came in black. It is made of wood with a board in the back and all the hardware you need to install. It has hooks to hang up. It's a heavy unit, as seen, and is not a regular dartboard. These are those special darts that you throw and stick to a certain type of board. The dartboard is all lit up with LEDs, scoreboards, and dart areas to hold and protected by film. So please remember to peel everything off. It is a wooden board with endless games, 474 PDP and more. You have cricket to play and regular darts. You just want to quickly set up or go over the nice manual that is offered with a lot of information provided. You have an actual template to hang up your unit, and you have a tape measure to measure and hang. Assembly for the handles, metal, the hardware, hanging on the wall with brackets and silicone cushion bumpers. It is 110 to 5 volt with a dedicated DIN cable USB-A and two packages that are magnetic openings to your darts. You have the wings to put on, the tails, and additional spare pieces. 50 soft tips. Each kit contains 6 darts. They have 2 different type of designs, and they have a little rubber ring. If we open up and spread each of the parts, you can see that you need to place on to the area. As we spread on, we do our best to get in the camera's view, placing on. Do not force on, take your time, and you have your tails set up. They're plastic, soft, with a little rubber ring. Replacement of the ring is simply unscrewing and placing back on. The back tail also comes off. Located on the side over here is your plug. And plugging into a nearby AC, your 5 volt to 110. We're going to briefly show you, just quickly going over the unit. We have it hooked up to a power bank as we turn the unit on. You may get the unit to come on for the first time, greeting you. The power button.
Please select game.
We come over to the quick button, press.
Please select game. Cricket. Round the clock.
G23 is round the clock, and press enter.
Please select option.
And then pick your option. We're just going to hit enter.
Select player.
And we're going to hit to player and press enter.
Player 1.
So now we take out darts, our 3 darts, and we simply just take it to the board.
11. Miss.
And throw it. And then we'll take it again as we need to set our darts up.
18. Miss.
And then again.
19. Miss. Remove darts. Next player.
And then you can see how this light was blinking for player 1. You come over, hit next player, and player 2 starts to blink. So it keeps the score, and you just continue on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up and show you what it's about. We have a template, a 60-inch tape measure, And we need to measure 68 inches to the bullseye to the floor. So let's open up the template and temporarily hang up with some tape. For our demonstration purposes, we do not have the height 4.9 inches, and the top height is 197.5 cm. You're looking for the bullseye at 68 inches. Put a marking in there. With the drill and the template, screw down into the whole area. And place on the brackets supplied. As we demonstrate, we place into the center hole and lock down. Lift, place up and onto the hook areas and screw down the bottom. And you're able to now open up your drawer. You have your cable plugged in to the AC with a supplied brick. When plugging in, it automatically turns on. So the dartboard fully extend open, and it protects the extension of your wall. You have your 6 darts on one side with a design, 4 different designs darts. You have up to 8 players. Now we plugged in, we need to take a measurement of 10 feet. We have adhesive that we could peel off, and we set up our throw line at 10 feet. We need to put on our handles to the board. So we open up with the Phillips screwdriver and bolt, place in from the inside to the outside, and carefully start to screw on. And repeat for the opposite side. Now the handles are on. It's easy to open up the board, extend it, and turn the power on. Darts from beginners to professionals, model 92181. We have the book to go over. It tells you how to actually set things up and play. We have darts, 4 of them, of sets as we open up the unit. We have 13 buttons with a large window, 2 speakers, a sensor, and 2 boards that keeps the score of people, volume, and more. Up to 8 people can play. As we turn on the unit,
Please select game.
we have lights. You saw a countdown. And this is a nice large window saying fun G01 255002, depending on the games that you were on. Depending on the game, the voice will speak, and this is the voice and the game.
Voice mode 3. Voice mode 4. Voice mode 1. Voice mode 2.
You have a volume. You hear a click. And over here, you'll see the circles and X's increase as I press on the volume. Then you have a light, 3 levels of lighting.
Light mode 2. Light mode 3. Light mode 1.
You have a handicap and a reset. On the opposite side, we have an up and down and the enter button and the quick game with the bullseye and bounce. If you miss, you hit the miss. And if you hit the bounce on the floor, bounce out, you press the bounce. So let's set up a quick game.
Cricket. Round the clock. Shanghai. 301. Cricket.
Those are the games you have, and you hit enter.
Please select option.
You hit up, and those are the options for cricket, and enter.
Select player.
Up and down up to
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
8
players.
players.
Beginner. Intermediate. Advanced. Expert. Professional. 1 player.
And
Player
enter.
1.
Now I hit enter.
Player 1.
Now I hit next player after I finish throwing my darts. These are the scores over here. The boards can open nice and wide for protection, and you have a 10-foot mark line, which was shown over here. And now we're ready to throw our dart. For demonstration purposes only, due to the height, we're going close up and throwing darts.
15. 3. Miss. 11. Miss. Remove darts. Next player.
I got my 15.
Player 1.
I need to remove my darts. And I need to hit next.
Player 1. 15.
Now, I got my 15. It X's it out, and I go for my next number.
Triple 7. Miss.
I missed my dart. I hit
Miss. Remove
miss.
darts. Next player.
And I hit next player.
Player 1.
Now I go for my next throw.
9. Miss.
And it looks like I need to go to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Triple 5. Miss. 5. Miss. Remove darts. Next player.
When playing darts, it's important to look at the tips.
Player 1.
If the tips get bent, you could bend them back or replace them by taking them off.
Bullseye. 5. Miss. Double 17. Close. Miss. Player 1. Player 1. 16. 10. Miss. Remove darts. Next player. 14. Miss. Triple 14. Miss. 4. Miss. Remove darts. Next player. Remove darts. Next player. Player 1. Player 1. 19. 19. Remove darts. Next player.
We got our 19 in, as you can see, and hit next
Player
player.
1.
Remember, this is touch sensitive.
Double. Bullseye. Miss. Bullseye. Miss.
And that is your dart board. When you finish playing with your darts, they simply fit into the sleeve area, all 3 darts. This is your dart board ready for the next time. Yirinatek is your dart board. It is powered via USB 5.0. It is a dart board up to 8 people, from beginners to professional. I hope you enjoy your dart board for your gaming needs, your man cave, your bars, restaurants, playing, fun activities, and more. This is a dart board that, please be careful of its tips. And thank you for viewing.